Hello, welcome. Let's look at this question number 18 for WAEC Physics 2018. The diagram above illustrates the mercury in glass thermometer used for determining the temperature of a room. Use the data on it to determine the room temperature. A 3.3 degrees Celsius, B 7.0 degrees Celsius, C 13.0 degrees Celsius, D 30.0 degrees Celsius. Now this is the diagram we are considering. So considering this very diagram, we can see that what we actually have is this very thermometer. I have the mercury that is covered in black. Now we have the tube. Now from the indications, we can see that here we have 0 degrees Celsius, and here we have 100 degrees Celsius. Now from this 0 degrees to the point where you have the mercury level, we have 3 cm. Very important. 3 cm. Whereas from this point of 0 to the 100 degrees Celsius side, we have 10 cm. So it's telling us that the total length of this mercury tube inside is actually 10 cm, but the level of the mercury here is 3. So what is the room temperature? We know that the room temperature is around 25 degrees Celsius. That's the standard room temperature. But if we are taking the measurement here, we have 3 cm, but the room temperature is supposed to be 25. So if you take half of here, if you take half of here, then you're gonna have 5 here and 5 here. That's half. Then if you take half of half, so that you can have 25 here, this is where you can have 25 degrees, which is the room temperature. So you can then read this to correlate. So what temperature can it give, given that here this is the reading? So you can see that the very reading here is somewhere above 25, which we should be assuming to be 30 degrees. So from this sketch, we can say that the room temperature here is 30 degrees from the reading here. So if you divide this, because this is 100 and this is 0, divide it into 2, you have 50 here. So half of 50 is 25, and the reading here is just above this 25, so it should be around 30, because it cannot be this too small, this too small, this too small. And we all know that room temperature generally is around 25 degrees, so it's very okay to assume 30 than the other ones. So like I said, here is 0 from the diagram, here is 100, divide it into 2, you're having 50, and you have something that is lesser than 50, which we assume to be 30. So 30 degrees is the most likely close temperature, and that is the room temperature. Thank you.